Hey guys, Jaden back here for another video, and today we are back with our Minecraft Let's Play. As you can see, I improved the house. Okay, so now it looks pretty good. We got an attic up here, right? It's like my chest room up here. Yeah, I put a lot of torches so mobs won't spawn. And then that's really it. Oh, I went mining also, and our garden we're starting to get more potatoes, so we're starting already to have more profit. Oh, like so that we can eat now carrots, because before we had to put them all down. So now we can just eat them. We just gotta plant them back though. Look, you see? Just gotta eat them, and bam. That's really it. I didn't do that much. I just went mining and fixed the house because I have a feeling that you guys are gonna be bored off that. So yeah, and we still gotta fix our potato farm. Well, it's already, it's not like this, it's already done, it's just gotta make it. Okay, we finished this entire row. Okay, we're making some good progress. So anyway, today I just wanted to make, like, let's say I just wanted to make a dock. Sorry that the intro is so long, really sorry. I want to make a nice dock out of wood and stuff. So yeah. So I'm just gonna start getting the supplies so that we can. I'm gonna make it nice with slabs. Gonna put our boats, and I'm thinking of making. Well, not in this episode, but like maybe in a future episode we make a village. Well, we need to find a village first so we can get villagers. And I hear zombos. You see, it's good to have trees, but the only thing is, that's where mobs hide. Before, we had, like, no mobs on here. Under, like, the trees and stuff. I'll get the rest of that later. Oh, maybe I can make, like, a... Actually, let me just start, like, I don't know. Shaving it, making it a nice form. Let me also get my water bucket. So... I am back, boys. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna do this. Okay. Let me see. Oh, I need my I keep on forgetting my bucket. Oh my god. So yeah. So I got all that and stuff. So yeah. Yeah, boys. House looks beautiful. Farm. It looks beautiful. So yeah, this house time's coming along. I don't know why I keep on saying that. I should make an infinite water source near me, but I have one like right next to me, so I'm fine. Boop. Bop. So yeah, I want to really try to make this dock today. I'm gonna try to make it look really nice. So yeah. Okay. I don't know why this keeps on happening. Why this keeps on happening. Grammar Jaden. Boop. Rip current. My boats are gonna drown. Why does this keep on happening though? It makes no sense. What? Like, what? What? Hold up. Like, I need dirt? Yes, I do. Okay. Okay, now can I make it better? Why? Where else can I put? Yep, over here. But why does it keep on going to the middle though? Man, this is gonna take a while. And no, guys, I did not go into creative to fix my house. So I know some of you were thinking that, but I didn't. I did everything in survival. I mean, if I went into creative, I'll probably make my house out of diamonds. Think about it. Oh my god. Do I? Wait, why is it like this? Oh. Did I just figure out a way how to solve the problem? Put water on the floor? Okay, I'm getting sucked over here, so... There. Okay. Where else? Okay, we got this part situated, so now... Okay. Are we gonna waste really, like, the whole video doing this? I'm sorry, guys, that you gotta watch this. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, I want to get to the dock part. Frick. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, so we just go over here. Okay, make that look natural. Then you do some of this, some of this, some of this, some of this. Then you do some of this. Okay, let me see how that looks. Okay, that actually looks pretty cool. Okay. 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 Now I just gotta make like kind of like lanes, because I want to make lanes for like each boat. So I want to straighten this out. Hold up, gotta get some more water. Okay, there we go. Okay, so there. I think a boat should have like 2 spaces for our lane. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, I think actually by doing this it fixes up the water. So yeah. nice. I guess I can only have like 3 boats in here, so that's, I guess, kind of perfect. Okay, let me get the boats. Oh, that is not good. Okay, I'm gonna have to extend. Hold up, boys. This is gonna break. Oh, perfect. Okay, I need to make like a axe. Okay, I'm actually just gonna make a iron axe because I'm not gonna waste a lot of iron because I just got it. It's not that I don't want to use it, it's just I don't want to waste it all. Okay, there we go. Put my iron back. Okay. Now I should make this should make the process way more faster. If I can find a tree. Okay, there's absolutely no trees. Okay. Okay, there is no trees. No trees at all. Where's the boats? I need to get some wood. Yeah, I don't think, boys, we're gonna finish the dock on this episode. Because this actually kind of takes longer than 15 minutes to do. I'm gonna try to finish it, but if I don't, we'll probably finish it tomorrow, and most likely, I don't know. But it's better off if we just do it whatever we do, because it's not good if like I just plan it and then we do something else. I don't want to let you guys down or something like that. Wait, what? Quickly, I need to get this wood. Come on. One more tree. Okay, that's good. Hey, you'll be the first boat to go on my dock. If I get there quick enough, you will. You better swim faster. Come on. Oh yeah, I probably should do this part too, but I don't want to waste all my blocks because no one really looks behind it besides me. Enderman, I'm not looking at you. I'm not looking at you at all. Don't feel offended. Listen. Frick off! Okay, we're done. Okay, relax. I'm done. Okay. You all shall die in the morning. I sound like a freaking serial killer, I know. Make some fences, actually. I need to make some fences. Let me make a pressure plate, actually. 2 of them. Because I always forget to close the door. Okay, I forgot how to make fences. And it's not showing me how to. Fence. Oh, right here. I forgot how to make fences. Okay, guys, I just wanted to say have a safe and amazing day. And come on, fence. Why wouldn't it let me make a fence? Oh, gang over here. Alright. Boys and girls, have a safe Anyways,